Today I'm at Uralla Nature Reserve. This reserve is in Trafalgar, near to Yarragon, because my son is playing cricket match in Yarragon. So I thought like I should explore this reserve. This area looks pretty quiet. In fact, no one is here. And let's see. Today is a little bit windy as well. Let's get started. So this track is not a very long track, but there's a bit uphill, and this track has started with uphill. Oh, let's see. Yeah. So this is basically a walking and hiking track, but yeah, of course I'm trying with a mountain bike, which is pretty tiring. I'm sure you can hear the sounds of wind. All right, a little bit down track. It's a little bit relief. See, this is how you can explore your surroundings. So maybe you don't need to go that far if you start exploring your surroundings. How old is she?
She's 9 months. This one's 9.
Wow.
So this one's an older one. She's not fussed by anything.
All right.
But this one, she's still learning everything.
Okay, this is my first time on this trail. Oh, there are strays here. All right. I didn't expect that. Oh, there's a small bridge. As I said, it's not a cycle track. You can see it's a walking track. All right. Well, it's beautiful. I think so. I may come back with the son, with my family here for a walk. come back to the parking or the starting point. Well, did not take that long. Let me see. Just 23 minutes. That's it. 2 kilometers. No, that's not enough. Okay. I'm going back. Back to cricket stadium. Cricket ground, not stadium. It's a cricket ground. Oh, just those 23 minutes were pretty tough, tiring. So match got suspended because it's raining. Alright, so match is over.